How to use one Gmail account in two different phones easily. Actually, sometimes we have multiple phones in our hand, right? And that time we need to use that same Gmail account in two different phones so that we can use that contact list, we can see that photos, we can also use that Google Drive also in two different phones with one Gmail account. So if you really want to learn how to do that, then please watch my full video carefully. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So I assume that this is my first phone and this is my second phone. So I will use this phone Gmail account in this phone easily. So let's start the process. So first of all, you'll need to go to your second phone or new phone, and after that you need to click here Gmail application. After that you need to click here your profile icon, then need to click here add another account. But if your phone is new, that time you will see different kinds of interface, which is this one. You will find out this kinds of interface in your new phone, and you need to click here add an email address. Okay, so after that just click here Google, this option, then give here your phone password, then write that same Gmail in here. Okay, do not mistake, just write it properly. And after that let me click here next option. Then you need to enter here your this Gmail account password, and if you don't know your password, that time there is no worry. You need to do something in your this first phone, which is you need to click here manage your Google account, then click here security and sign in, then click here password, and after that it will give you a changing password option. So first of all you will need to change here your that password. Okay, so let me change mine because I don't know this password. So after giving here a password, let me click here change password, and you can see your password was changed. So I need to use that password in there also. Okay, so let me use that password, and I give that password, and after that if I click on next option, that time this Gmail account will log in my this phone. And if you don't know this option, that time you can click here forget password, and you can give a new password and retype password. So what I need to do, I need to click here next option, and then click here never either save. So let me click here save option so that later I can find out this password. Okay, so right now I need to click here I agree. So my this Gmail account already add in there. Okay, so let me show you. You can see there is the Gmail I already got. Let me share with you. You can see all Gmail are same, and if I go there, this is the same Gmail. You can see in both phone the Gmail is same. So I can right now use this contact, photos, everything I can use. So that's it guys. So by this easiest process you can use one Gmail account in two phones easily. So thank you so much for watching this video.